Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamad dan Hakim bin Azam. I think this number list is number 4. I'm from M2CS2440A and I'm gonna present you about my individual project. This project objective is about to set up two jail in FreeBSD operating system to run C application in one of the jail, to call C application from shell scripting in another jail. But first, the requirement is we have a workstation player, as you can see here. FreeBSD ISO alternative. I'm using putty. This is the remote for the FreeBSD. Okay, as you can see here, the activity is to create jail, to create two jail, jail 1 and jail 2. For jail 1 is to run 3C application with sample of following function call or operation like fork pipe and signal. All application must display IP address of jail 1. For SSL jail 2, run one of the standalone C program by simple shell script. Random number, prime number, or Fibonacci sequence. Both shell and C program must display IP address of jail. Okay, let's see about the FreeBSD. First, like this one, I already saved my name. Load and then open. After that, login, password. I already enter my FreeBSD. First, we're gonna enter the first jail. Before that, I'm gonna display the jail list. As you can see here, this is the IP address, hostname, and the path. Alright, and then I'm gonna enter the jail one. EasyDeals /admin console. I already entered the jail one. I'm gonna show you about all the files I have in here. Okay, first about the fork, cd fork. I already enter fork file. Then try run the fork. Before that, I'm gonna enter the coding nano fork to the C. Alright. At the top here, this is the library. This is library, as you can see here, the IT main, the variable, parent return one, and for this one is for to display the IP, as you can see here, printf IP. It will show all the IP, the EMO, and the other, and so on. So at the bottom, this is about the fork. As you can see here, printf return fork, and it gonna display about the fork. Alright. Control S, Control X. I'm gonna compile it first. GCC fork2.c. Alright, there is no error here. Then I'm gonna display out. Alright, as you can see here, this is the output. The EMO IP is already displayed, broadcast IP, and the LO0 IP. So you can see here, this is the output. I am 1454 for return 1455 for return 0. I am the parent waiting for the child process to end. And the child is with ID 1455. As you can see here, this port is the child. Alright. Next, I'm going to show about the signal. Is it EasyJail/admin console -f. My bad. EasyJail admin console jail 1. Okay, already enter back the jail 1, and then ls fork signal cd signal. Already entered the signal file. Ls again. There is nano signal dot c. Alright, like before, this is the library intimate, and this is the variable. From this is the variable from the top, from char buff like that, from that until um until here. It will show about the IP, and and at here at the bottom it will show about the signal programming. If um it's like if we entered something string, it will appear. But if we control C, and it will back, and it will appear the output is not allowed this time. Alright, I try to run it. This is C, signal.c. Alright, dot slash a dot out. Alright, this is the output. As you can see here at the top, it will display the IP, all the IP. Then if we enter string like my name Daniel, and it will display Daniel. Alright, or if we control C, and control C is not allowed this time, it will appear the output, and then we just click enter. You enter nothing, or you start your string with space. That's for signal. Okay, now we go to the pipe coding. Is it? I will turn back to host. So EasyGL admin console GL1, then ls pipe. Okay, cd pipe. Already enter the pipe file. Ls again, pipe.c. Alright, so nano pipe. Let's see. Alright, same as before, like the library and the output for the IP address is the same. Alright, but the coding below is just a little different because this is for pipe. I don't know how to explain anymore. But let me show about the output. Alright. So X, so slash A out. As you can see here, it will display the IP address. Waiting file description. Hashtag 5 with default file descriptor. Hashtag 4 read test. It will read test because as you can see here, it will I mean, as you can see here, it will display test because we already put the output for the rectify descriptor, and the pipe is already exit. Alright, now we exit. We go to GL2 EasyGL slash admin console for start GL2. Alright, this is for GL2. ls. I'm gonna enter the Fibonacci file. CD Fibonacci. Alright. First, about this GL2, I'm gonna show you about the Fibonacci coding. My bad. As you can see here, this is my coding for Fibonacci, the standalone C programming. Alright, and then I'm gonna display about the script. Alright, this is the script for my jail2. Nothing more than that. That's all. Alright. Now I'm gonna run the programming. So bash dot bash script dot bash. Alright, as you can see here, it will appear my script first. jail2, my name, student ID, group, and current IPv4 address. Then enter. For this project, I'm running Fibonacci C program. Please enter the to continue Fibonacci program. Compiling Fibonacci program. Executing C output file. And then network configuration of jail, it will appear. Enter number of element excluding first 0 and 1. Which is at here we're gonna enter what kind of number that we like. Like me, I personally like 7. Right, I enter. Alright. This is the Fibonacci element as you can see here. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, and so on. So that's the end of the C program. Alright, that's for me for both jail, and I'm gonna exit. Alright, that's all for me. Thank you so much, sir. I'm sorry if there are any of lacking from me. I hope you will understand. Thank you.